In this video, we will discuss DevOps Quick Cheat Sheet. This cheat sheet covers 100 terms and services that every DevOps engineer should be aware of before working on real-time projects. So let's get started. 1. Continuous integration. C. Automates code integration. 2. Continuous deployment. CD. Automated code deployment. 3. Version control system. VCS. Manages code versions. 4. Git. Distributed version control. 5. Jenkins, automation server for CI/CD. 6. Build automation, automates code compilation. 7. Artifact, build output package. 8. Maven, build and project management. 9. Gradle, build automation tool. 10. Containerization, application packaging and isolation. 11. Docker, containerization platform. 12. Kubernetes, container orchestration. 13. Orchestration, automated coordination of components. 14. Microservices, architectural design approach. 15. Infrastructure as code. IAC, manage infrastructure programmatically. 16. Terraform, IAC provisioning tool. 17. Ansible, IAC automation tool. 18. Chef, IAC automation tool. 19. Puppet, IAC automation tool. 20. Configuration management, automates infrastructure configurations. 21. Monitoring, observing system behavior. 22. Alerting, notifies on issues. 23. Logging, recording system events. 24. ELK stack, log management tools. 25. Prometheus, monitoring and alerting toolkit. 26. Grafana, visualization platform. 27. Application performance monitoring. APM, monitors app performance. 28. Load balancing, distributes traffic evenly. 29. Reverse proxy, forwards client requests. 13. Ginks, web server and reverse proxy. 31. Apache, web server and reverse proxy. 32. Serverless architecture, code execution without servers. 33. AWS Lambda, serverless compute service. 34. Azure Functions, serverless compute service. 35. Google Cloud Functions, serverless compute service. 36. Infrastructure orchestration, automates infrastructure deployment. 37. AWS Cloud Formation, IAC for AWS. 38. Azure Resource Manager. RAM, IAC for Azure. 39. Google Cloud Deployment Manager, IAC for GCP. 40. Continuous testing, automated testing at all stages. 41. Unit testing, tests individual components. 42. Integration testing, tests component interactions. 43. System testing, tests entire system. 44. Performance testing, evaluates system speed. 45. Security testing, identifies vulnerabilities. 46. DevSecOps, integrates security in DevOps. 47. Code review, inspection for quality. 48. Static code analysis, examines code without execution. 49. Dynamic code analysis, analyzes running code. 50. Dependency management, handles code dependencies. 51. Artifact repository, stores and manages artifacts. 52. Nexus, repository manager. 53. JFrog Artifactory, repository manager. 54. Continuous monitoring, real-time system observation. 55. Incident response, manages system incidents. 56. Site reliability engineering. SRE, ensures system reliability. 57. Collaboration tools, facilitates team communication. 58. Slack, team messaging platform. 59. Microsoft Teams, collaboration platform. 60. ChatOps, collaborative development through chat. 61. Versioning, managing code versions. 62. Semantic versioning. SEMVer, versioning conventions. 63. Feature toggles, enables or disables features. 64. Blue-green deployment, switches between environments. 65. Canary deployment, gradual release to subset. 66 rolling deployment, incremental software updates. 67 infrastructure monitoring, observing infrastructure performance. 68 service level agreement SLA, defines service expectations. 69 service level indicator SLI, measures service performance. 70 service level objective SLO, target level of service. 71 chaos engineering, tests system resilience. 72 GitLab, Git repository manager. 73 Bitbucket, Git repository manager. 74 artifact signing, verifies artifact authenticity. 75 secrets management, safely stores sensitive information. 76 HashiCorp Vault, secrets and data protection. 77 continuous feedback, ongoing improvement input. 78 post-mortem analysis, review after incidents. 79 infrastructure cost management, controls cloud expenses. 80 cloud billing, charges for cloud services. 81 immutable infrastructure, unmodifiable infrastructure instances. 82 zero trust security model, no implicit trust. 83 authentication, verifies user identity. 84 authorization, grants access permissions. 85 single sign-on SSO, single login for multiple systems. 86 LDAP, lightweight directory access protocol. 87 OAuth, authorization framework. 88 RAC role-based access control, access based on roles. 89 VPN virtual private network, secure network connection. 90 network security groups NSG, Azure firewall rules. 91 firewall, network security barrier. 92 server hardening, secures server configurations. 93 distributed tracing, tracks transactions across components. 94 Jaeger, distributed tracing system. 95 OpenTelemetry, observability framework. 96 API gateway, manages and secures APIs. 97 SICT pipeline, automated development stages. 98 server monitoring, observing server performance. 99 immutable deployment, replaces entire instances. 100 server provisioning, setting up server instances. These terms cover a broad range of topics within the DevOps landscape. Keep in mind that the DevOps field is dynamic, and new tools and concepts may emerge over time. Continuous learning and staying updated are crucial for a DevOps engineer. Thanks for watching. For a DevOps